Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the best strategies to play Block Blast like a pro. To start, always aim to blast blocks as soon as possible. Clearing blocks creates space and helps you stay ahead in the game. Focus on creating a clear area for the largest blocks to fit. For example, if you have a 3x3 block, try to keep enough room in the middle of the board so it fits easily when needed. Place smaller blocks towards the corners. Keeping the center open gives you more flexibility to handle any new blocks that appear. Continuously look for spots where placing a block will lead to clearing rows or columns. This tactic keeps the board open and makes it easier to get higher scores. And that's it. With these strategies, you'll be scoring higher in no time. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more game tips and tricks.